नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you thawing of food in unit operation in food industry subject. Now let's start with the topic. What is thawing? Thawing is to lose stiffness, numbness or impermeability by being warmed. Left the frozen turkey out until it thawed out by sitting next to the stove. Basically to become the warm enough for snow and ice to melt, and its mushiness is basically soft and squeezy. Frozen vegetables thaw best by direct cooking. The time honored guidelines for thawing meats and seafood get tossed out the window when you are thawing vegetables. You will need to pursue different methods better suited to preserving the delicate cell walls of frozen vegetables. First of all, the types of method of thawing is: number one, you can cook directly from frozen foods. Basically, thaw by cooking direct from frozen as your preferred method of handling frozen vegetables. Instructions are: bring as little water as possible, generally half or two-third cup of water per 16 ounces of frozen vegetables, to boil in a covered saucepan over medium heat. Add the vegetables and replace the lid on the saucepan. Occasionally, separate the pieces as they cook. Continue until the veggies are tender, typically 7 to 10 minutes. Next type of method is microwave or stir fry. Microwave or stir fry your frozen fruits and vegetables as an alternative method of cooking direct from frozen. You can do, basically instructions are to microwave them, place them directly in a microwave safe bowl with 2 to 4 tablespoons of water. Microwave for 4 minutes on high, then check the vegetables, stir them and continue cooking minute by minute until they are heated through. To stir fry them, heat a wok or skillet and add peanut or corn oil. Add your frozen vegetables and stir fry for 5 to 7 minutes until they become crisp. Next is defrost. Defrost specific leafy and bulky frozen vegetables such as broccoli, pears, turnip, greens, and spinach. In other words, partially thaw them by running them on their packaging under cold running water. If these vegetables are destined from use in casseroles, quinches, and omelets, this gives them a chance to shed some of their water and avoid running the sauces. Avoid warm or hot water. Gently press the packaging with your fingers and thumbs to feel for change in texture of the vegetables from frozen solid to thawed. Then open the packaging and briefly drain the vegetables in a colander before proceedings with your recipe. Next type of method is boiling. Use minimal amounts of water to cook frozen vegetables so as to retain best color, flavor, and nutrition. For each 500 ml container of vegetables, use 50 to 125 ml water and 2 ml salt, if that is half tablespoon of salt if desired. Uh, Bring water to boil, add vegetables, cover and return to the boil. As soon as water returns to the boil, begin counting cooking time. Reduce heat and simmer gently until the vegetables are just tender. Tips and warning are: proceed to cook frozen vegetables thawed by the running water or microwave methods immediately to avoid the mushiness. Basically, thawing is done for every frozen food product. Either it is thawing of peas, thawing of meat, etc. So thawing is very important before any processing of the frozen food products. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.